Hey guys, good morning. I'm going to be real quick because you have a video to watch on top of the assignment today. So, quickly, here are today's announcements. There's the day's Padlet. You'll need that later for what you're doing. So make sure you look at those. Just some announcements for me. I've put a few grades in the grade book in IC. I haven't put all of them in, and I'm not going to put all of them in. Because I didn't take everything as a full grade. But I'm going to combine some of them and take the better of the two also. But I haven't finished. But several of you are missing stuff or made low grades on things. You need to send me a message sometime this afternoon so we can talk. I won't have a Google Meet today, but I will tomorrow. So just make sure, and I'll probably keep it open because you guys may have questions for tomorrow's activity. So I'm going to keep that open like a couple more sessions than I usually do. Anyway, and you can get on there and talk to me about your grade as well. You can talk to me about things you're missing. And I'm still going to be inputting grades tomorrow. So continue to look for those updates. Remember, report card or progress reports are being submitted. You'll see those online. Your parents will be made aware of that. So if you have zeros, and several of you do, you need to fix those. Okay, if there's notes in there, you need to look at those, and we can talk about it, and I can pull things up, and we can look through. But make sure you get your assignments done, and I will continue to add things to the gradebook tomorrow. All right, so today, some of you have already done the classwork, which was to do the locks, the scavenger hunt, which is great. So that's one activity, but whoops, I moved it. I'll put it back up to the top in just a minute. You will also have to, okay, so one thing says activity 1, do this stuff. Okay, so you're going to finish that. I don't want you to spend any more than about 15 minutes because the video you have to watch is about 10 or 11. So watch 15, work on it 15 minutes. Hopefully you get it done in 15 minutes. If you don't, take a picture of what you got through and put it on this document right here. You're just going to attach your picture, put your name and attach your picture. Okay. Then, whoops, I did it again. Then, let me scroll down here. Okay, so here's activity 2. Watch the video and take notes. So here's my video, rate of change, word problems and comparing. So that's about 11 minutes, okay? Some of you get it and it'll be a review. Some of you need to pay close attention. Tomorrow we're going to be working a lot, not just on word problems, but comparing rates of change of different types of either equations, stuff like that. Either it's equations, graph, tables, and you're going to be comparing to look at the rates of change and things as we get ready to go into systems. So watch the video, take some notes, and you can either put your notes, a picture of your notes on Padlet, that will be on the announcement page, or you can do a quick flip grid for me summarizing what you're doing, what that video is about. So that's all I'm going to say, because that video is kind of long, 11 minutes is a little bit of a time for you to, look. So I'm not going to talk much. I love you. Have a great day.